In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a user feedback form in Notion using Notion Forms. This is a simple way to collect feedback from clients, teammates, or anyone else. Let's get started. Open Notion and create a new blank page. On the page, type form and select form or choose forms if it's available in your workspace. Give your form a clear title, such as User Feedback Form. If you'd like, you can also add an icon and a cover image to make the form more professional and inviting. Start adding your questions by clicking Add Question. Include the information you want to collect, such as the user's name, overall rating, comments, or suggestions. You can choose different question types like short text, long text, multiple choice, or rating, depending on the feedback you need. Continue adding questions until your form is complete. Keep your questions simple and relevant so it's easy for people to respond. When you're finished, use the preview option to see how the form looks. Test it yourself and make any changes before sharing it. Once everything looks good, click Share and copy the form link. You can send the link through email, messaging apps, or embed it in another Notion page for others to fill out. That's how to create a user feedback form in Notion. Thanks for watching.